Hello and welcome to Jaguar Land Rover Carlisle. Here we have a lovely I-Pace EV400 SE up for sale. There is a deposit contribution on these cars. Also comes with a free home charger and installation plus 2-year Jaguar warranty. On this particular car we have a lovely 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. We also have front fog lights, privacy glass as well. Inside you can see it's got lovely perforated ebony leather upholstery. Also included is a Meridian sound system. Rear camera is also fitted with climate control, navigation, heated steering wheel, navigation pro system, all fitted on this car. Into the boot you can see obviously it comes with its electric charging cable and a good sized practical boot as well. Rear camera, powered tailgate as well. Moving inside the car you can see it has only covered 14,414 miles. Heated steering wheel as well, along with cruise control. On here you can see we have the controls for the air suspension, mode selection as well. We have heated front seats, rear camera of course, satellite navigation, and some other features including your electric vehicle charging state, preconditioning, of course Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and also on this car you have the selectable driving setup giving you dynamic suspension, steering modes as well, including your lap timer, G meter and throttle and brake graph as well. If this car is of interest, please do get in touch. We have competitive finance rates available. Part exchange, of course, is always welcome. Thanks for watching.